Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam, click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Before that, you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, search for device manager, and here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once you have done this, check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if the game pad is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then move to the next method. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. You can simply see the update option available over here. After updating, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. So you can try it once or else move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Apart from this, you can try some other troubleshooting tips. First, clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, and here you can see clear download option. Click on clear cache, confirm it, log into Steam once again, and then check whether it's working or not. If you are using wired plug for controller, then unplug it and replug it. Hopefully this will try to resolve the issue you are coming across. If not, you are suggested to use big picture mode for REANIMAL. So go to Steam, select your game, and here you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it to enter, and after that, launch the game. And if the game is opening, exit big picture mode, and after that, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few steps that will surely help to resolve gamepad or controller not working in REANIMAL game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.